Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Research Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the waking up your Bixby sensitivity. At first, scroll to left where all your options are, and here scroll down to the settings. Open all settings, and here scroll to the advanced features here. Scroll to voice, and here scroll to Bixby settings. Now, in the voice wake up section, you can scroll down all the way to wake up sensitivity. Set the Bixby's voice wake up sensitivity. Higher sensitivity could cause intentional wake ups. You can click it and set it either to high, medium or low. And that's how it works. Goodbye!